Greetings, luxury enthusiasts. Welcome to House Lux Estate, your premier source for luxury lifestyle insights and guides. As your trusted companion on this journey of opulence, we're here to present a world where style meets substance, where dreams take flight, literally. Today, we're taking a departure from our usual topics to bring you an intriguing guide on an exclusive symbol of affluence: private jets. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to delve into the stratosphere of private jet ownership. From understanding your needs and weighing new versus used jets to unraveling the intricacies of operating costs and legalities, we'll guide you through every corner of this high-flying venture. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking to upgrade your travel or a luxury aficionado considering your first jet purchase, this guide is designed to help you navigate the skies of decision-making with ease. So fasten your seatbelts and let's begin our ascent into the world of private jet ownership. Before you even step foot into a showroom, it's important to understand your needs. So let's take a moment. Consider your travel habits. Are you frequently jetting off to international business meetings? Or perhaps you're more of a leisure traveler, preferring to explore secluded islands? Your destinations and travel frequency will heavily influence the type of jet you need. Now, let's think about your entourage. Do you usually travel alone or with a large group of associates or family members? The number of passengers you plan to carry will determine the size and layout of your jet. And don't forget about your lifestyle. Are you a fan of luxury and opulence, or do you value practicality and efficiency? The answer will guide your choice of amenities and features in your private jet. Remember, buying a private jet is a major investment, so make sure it's one that truly suits your lifestyle. Once you have a clear understanding of your needs, it's time to decide between a new and a used jet. A new jet is, of course, pristine. It comes with the latest technology and design features, a warranty, and the peace of mind that you're the first and only owner. However, new jets can be prohibitively expensive and lose value quickly. On the other hand, a used jet can be a more affordable option. They often come with a proven track record, and any initial manufacturing issues are likely to have been ironed out. However, they may require more maintenance and could have outdated technology. Regardless of whether you're leaning towards new or used, it's critical to conduct a thorough inspection. This should include a detailed review of the maintenance history and a physical inspection by a certified aircraft mechanic. Whether you choose a new or used jet, it's important to conduct a thorough inspection before making a purchase. The purchase price is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to owning a private jet. Owning a jet is more akin to maintaining a small business than owning a car. There are several ongoing costs that you need to be aware of. Firstly, fuel is a major expense. Depending on the jet's size and your frequency of travel, you could be looking at thousands of dollars just to keep your jet in the air. Next, maintenance and repairs are essential to keep your jet operating safely. From routine checks to unexpected repairs, these costs can quickly add up. And let's not forget the crew. A private jet requires a team of professionals to operate. This includes pilots, flight attendants, and ground crew. Their salaries, training, and benefits are all part of the operating costs. Lastly, you'll need to factor in costs like hangar fees and insurance. Make sure you're prepared for these ongoing costs before making a purchase. Because owning a jet is not just about the initial price, it's about the journey. Buying a private jet isn't just about the glitz and glamour. It also involves a fair bit of paperwork. As we journey further into the world of private jet ownership, let's delve into the crucial aspect of insurance and legalities. Just like any other valuable asset, insurance for a private jet is an absolute necessity. It covers liability, hull damage, and even the well-being of passengers and crew. Now, onto the legalities. The regulations of owning and operating a private jet can be complex. They vary depending on the jurisdiction and can include everything from flight operations, aircraft maintenance, to safety standards. Don't forget, you'll also need to consider international laws if you plan to fly across borders. It's advisable to engage a legal expert to navigate these waters seamlessly. Remember, while private jets offer unparalleled luxury and convenience, they come with their own set of responsibilities. Purchasing a private jet is a major investment, so ensure you're protected. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the different models of private jets available. There's a rich variety to choose from, each with its unique features, catering to different needs and tastes. First, we have light jets, perfect for those quick, short trips. They're compact, efficient, and can land in smaller airports, offering flexibility and convenience. Next up are mid-size jets, a step up in terms of space and comfort. They offer a blend of performance and luxury, with more room for passengers and additional amenities. Then, we have super midsize jets, the bridge between midsize and heavy jets. They offer longer range and more spacious cabins, ideal for transcontinental journeys. Lastly, the heavy jets, the epitome of luxury air travel. They offer the longest range, the most spacious cabins, and the highest level of amenities, suitable for those long intercontinental flights. Choosing the right model is crucial to your overall satisfaction as a private jet owner. Owning a private jet isn't just about flying in style, it also means being responsible for its care. Now, let's dive into the world of maintenance and storage. Just like a high-end sports car, a private jet requires regular, meticulous maintenance. This isn't just a matter of keeping your jet looking shiny and new. It's about ensuring that you and your passengers can travel safely and smoothly every time. Maintenance might include regular inspections, component replacements, and software updates, all performed by certified professionals. It's a meticulous process, but absolutely essential for keeping your jet in top-notch condition. And let's not forget about storage. Your private jet needs a secure home when it's not in the air. This means renting space in a hangar at your local airport, or perhaps even building your own if you have the means. Remember, a well-maintained and securely stored jet isn't just a luxury, it's an investment. Proper maintenance and storage are key to preserving the value and functionality of your private jet. A private jet is nothing without a capable crew. Now, let's dive into the process of hiring a crew for your private jet. This isn't just about finding people who can operate an aircraft. It's about finding a team that can deliver a first-class experience every time you take flight. First, you'll need a pilot and co-pilot. They should have extensive experience, preferably in flying the specific model of your jet. They should be certified with a clean track record. Next, consider flight attendants. They're the face of your in-flight service, providing safety and comfort. Look for professionals with a background in luxury hospitality who can deliver the high-end service you and your guests deserve. Additionally, you may want a flight engineer, especially for larger or older jets. They ensure the aircraft is in optimal condition for each flight. Lastly, invest in a good ground crew for maintenance and logistics. They'll ensure your jet is ready when you are. Your crew is an integral part of your private jet experience, so hire wisely. Navigating the world of private jets can be complex, but thankfully, there are professionals to help. Jet brokers, much like real estate brokers, are experts in their field. They are the ones who can guide you through the labyrinth of jet buying, ensuring you make the right decisions at every turn. Jet brokers have an in-depth understanding of the market and can provide invaluable advice on the best aircraft to suit your needs. They have access to a wide range of jets, both new and used, and can negotiate the best prices on your behalf. They can also help with the legal and administrative aspects of the purchase, making sure you are fully compliant with all regulations. Moreover, a good jet broker will offer after-sales support, assisting with things like maintenance, storage, and crew hiring. So, whether you are a first-time buyer or a seasoned jet owner, working with a jet broker can take a lot of the stress out of the process. A reputable jet broker can make your journey to private jet ownership much smoother. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's quickly recap the main points. Initially, we explored the importance of understanding your unique needs before stepping into the world of private jet ownership. We then compared the pros and cons of new versus used jets, highlighting the need to consider operating costs that extend far beyond the purchase price. Our journey took us through the crucial aspects of insurance and legalities, reminding us that owning a private jet is not merely about luxury, but responsibility as well. We also delved into the different private jet models available, emphasizing the necessity of maintenance and storage. We then touched upon the importance of hiring a competent crew to ensure your flights are safe and smooth. Lastly, we discussed the role of jet brokers and their significance in making your private jet purchase a seamless experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of private jet ownership. Remember to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more luxury lifestyle insights and guides.